I'm in a bed, in a house. Please don't judge me. I have been all weekend. Foxy's getting really restless. Want to get back on the road now, don't we? How's everyone? How are you doing? What's happening? But in the meantime, this is what I've been doing for the last week and a half. I've now cleared out all my storage. It's all about attitude. Because I did it all on my own. I did think about asking people to help me, and I thought, no, I'm going to do this all on my own. And I managed to lift, sell between pawn shops, charity shops, Gumtree. Actually, Gumtree was rubbish. Facebook was really good. I had like a unit sale. I opened my unit up. I put a notice on Facebook, on some of the Facebook forums, and I said, come and help yourself. And people just turned up and helped themselves to my stuff. And then a few runs to recycling. I had great fun chopping, axing a sofa up, which I have videoed. A couple of pictures of the storage because I forgot to video the actual storage. This is what I've been doing. This is what I've been doing yesterday, the day before, and the day before that. Isn't it soothing, the sound of running water? More so than the sound of sea, I believe. That's pretty. Should we go and make a drink, Fox? Smoke coming out my chimney, so it'd be nice and warm when I get in there. Oh, must wash my van. It's filthy. A little logo. Love my log burner. Come on, little boy, you look tired. Come on. You okay? Just realised my van's pissing out. It's not, I don't know if that's oil or water. I think it's oil. Bollocks. It's pissing out loads there. Okay, I need to check that out. So sitting waiting for the RAC now. It is pissing out oil. I've got the bonnet up and I'll show you in a minute. It looks oily in there. It's the sea air. Them storms were horrendous. So the van is really well sealed. At least the van was really well sealed before I went. What it's like now, I've not been under there. I've not had a look. So there's going to be quite a few things that I reckon are going to be going wrong. My van's due for an MOT soon. I'm going to get it MOT'd early. I'm miles from anybody I know that has, a garage or is mechanically minded. I'm not, so I'm really hoping this isn't going to cost me too much. So I need a new battery and whatever's going on here. I might have to borrow some money from somebody. There you go. Life on the road. Another little obstacle. So yeah, I was going to go to storage, wasn't I? I might have to put that off now, but that's okay. Good job I got a good parking spot because it looks like I might be stuck here for a while. So the RAC man has just given me an amazing little lesson. I don't know if you can see the little diagram he drew. These are my 4 injectors and he was explaining to me why I didn't lose. It looks like I've lost a lot of diesel, but why it wasn't so bad, why it didn't combust. And anyway, he said lots of words that I don't quite remember, like compression and things. But I'm learning about my van. So this is the pipe, the leak-off pipe. So he's fixed that. So simple. If I knew these things, I should have checked it. But anyway, I will know in future. So I'm learning about my van, slowly but surely, and I will get that sorted out when I get my van serviced. So I need to get on with my day now. I love the RAC, so I've given him a bottle of wine and I just dropped my phone in a bowl of water. So my phone's been soaking in here, not soaking, been getting dry in this. Luckily, I've got some cat litter to dry my phone out. Hopefully it's not broken. Now, my other problem is Foxy. Whenever we go anywhere new, he doesn't know the place, so he's really restless. And all he wants to do, can you hear him? Is run around, keeps running off, because he's peeing everywhere, marking his territory. So everyone knows he's here, and he will. So next time we come, he'll be settled because he'll recognise the place. But whenever we go anywhere new, he's just so restless. And I've lost him several times this morning already. As soon as I'm distracted, he's off, marking, peeing absolutely everywhere. And for today's job, I have to saw this sofa up to get it to the tip because nobody wants it. I can't even give it away. And this chair, so I've got my whittling knife. I've never done anything like this before. And I've got my saw. And here we go. Whoa, gorgeous day. Anyway, I've done it. Look, my van is loaded for the recycling. So I'm going to do that now. Got a load of firewood, which I'll chop up tomorrow. And there was no room for the rest of that chair. I don't know if you can see that footstool in the background. I'll take that tomorrow. We are getting there. I've got a feeling it's Wednesday. Whoa, look at this. This is just the open road. I fucking love it. Isn't that beautiful? The road ahead.
In a quarter of a mile, turn left onto Station Lane.
Okay, ignore the sat nav. Kind of spoiled the moment. But anyway, I'm nearly at the recycling place. But it's the open road.
Take the next left onto Station Lane, then turn right.
Yeah. So much fun. I've had such an amazing week. So it's the next day, it's Thursday. I'm back at storage, going to chop that firewood up. And one more run to the recycle place, and then tomorrow morning, and then I'm done. It's a beautiful day. The sun is out, but it's a little bit nippy. It's only 8 AM though. so warm down here on the floor. I've got my log burner door open as well. Break that bit. Made some. What a perfect end to a good day. Love it, absolutely. It's really therapeutic. It's so therapeutic. I'll fill my drawer up and then I'm going to take my fox for a walk. There we go. Sunday evening, and I'm now back home. I've been driving pretty much all day. I'm parked near where my son lives, or in the next little village actually, and I'm going to be staying here for a little while. So thank you all for watching. I had an amazing week last week. It was very emotional, letting go of all my old stuff. I hadn't missed it for 2 years while being on the road, but going through it all again, yeah, it was bitter, it was bittersweet. And when I got rid of my last box of personal bits and gave to charity, I actually sobbed my heart out. I cried for 2 hours at least, and it was kind of happy, sad tears. It was happy, sad tears, letting go of the past, and I feel a lot lighter now. Definitely did the right thing. I can't believe I put that clearing the storage out for as long as what I did. So I'm going to leave it there. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Look after yourselves, look after each other. Massive love to all of you, and laters.